Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dwight. The Good Energy Affiliate is back. Got another good video for you today. Today, I'm going to talk about why choose affiliate marketing. Okay, there's a lot of options when you're trying to make some money online or starting an online business. So, why choose affiliate marketing? There's drop shipping, there's e-commerce, there's Amazon, and, there's so many different ways that you could try to make money online. So why would you choose affiliate marketing? That's what I'm going to talk about today. All right, so before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you can get all the videos as soon as I post them for you. Now, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so why choose affiliate marketing? The first reason I'm going to give you is because affiliate marketing is really easy to get started. When you're weighing your options on, how to start an online business or, which industry to get in or, which way you're going to go, how easy it is to get into the industry, you should be a big consideration on something that you're weighing. But affiliate marketing, it is really easy to get started. You can get started with little to no money. In some cases, you can even get started for free. I'll actually leave a link in the description if you haven't seen my video that I posted on how you can get started with affiliate marketing for free. But there's so many ways that you can get started, and it's really easy for you. There's not a lot of barriers to get in. There's no organization you have to get approved for. Anything like that. There's no school you have to go to. You don't have to get a degree or anything like that. You can literally start an affiliate marketing business in the morning and make a commission before the end of the day. Is that likely? No, but is it possible? Yes. And that's what makes affiliate marketing so great. So it's so easy to get started, and start earning commissions. Okay, the next good thing or the next reason to choose affiliate marketing is because there's absolutely no product creation needed. All right, you don't have to be some inventor where you have to create some, unique brand new product, make a prototype, then get it mass produced, get it patented, and then put it on the market and, create a market for it, figure out who's going to store it. You don't have to actually have a creative product when you have to have a bunch of boxes sitting in your living room or deal with shipping, and things like that. You do not have to create any product of your own. You never have to actually physically touch any products of your own, because affiliate marketing is all about making commissions off of marketing other people's products. All right, so that is one of the great things about affiliate marketing. You never have to make your own product. You never have to be, some type of creator who has to come up with some great, new and ingenious idea, to what to do. With affiliate marketing, you can sincerely just follow the roadmap of other people who have been successful and just continue on that path. So that's one great thing. Another great thing about affiliate marketing is no product creation needed. All right, now the next reason to choose affiliate marketing, and this is a pretty big one, there's absolutely no customer service issues to worry about ever. Since you're marketing other people's products, once the commission is made, all of the customer service, all of the back end, all of the delivery of the product, all of the taking the charges, everything about the transaction is all handled by the vendor. Okay, so you never have to worry about any type of customer service issues, because if there's any type of customer service issues, they contact the vendor. All of that stuff is already handled for you. One of the biggest obstacles of a new business or any kind of business is trying to handle the customer service. It's not what happens to make the sale, it's after the sale. Those are the things that actually drive a business down. But with affiliate marketing, you never have to worry about that. You never have to handle any type of customer service. You never have to get anybody calling you or sending you an email or anything like that about, the product that they bought, because all of those issues are handled by the vendor. All right, so the next reason why you should choose affiliate marketing is a really big one in my book. And it's because you can create multiple streams of income. That's right. With affiliate marketing, you can create multiple streams of income. Most businesses, you really only have one stream of income. Either you're selling something, if you have a brick and mortar store, if you got, you're selling your service and, you make a sale and that's it, and that's the end of the transaction. But with affiliate marketing, you're actually able to create multiple streams of income. Now, how do you do that? All right, now they have what's called a sales funnel. Okay, so now if you're promoting a product that has a sales funnel, let's just say it has, 4 different products in that sales funnel, you can literally get one click to go to this offer and potentially get commissions for 4 different sales on that one sales funnel. Okay, now you also have, what's another way that you can create multiple streams of income? Okay, you can use an autoresponder. Okay, what is an autoresponder? An autoresponder is, I went over this before in one of my other videos, is what you use to send out your emails, and it's a sequence of emails that you've already pre-set up before the people have actually opted into your email list. All right, so now what's going on now is when you're running your traffic and you're sending people to your opt-in list, it should be going after your opt-in list, after your opt-in page, it should be going into a sales funnel, and then that's one way of getting a stream of income. Okay, now after they've opted in, now they're in your email list and you're sending emails through your autoresponder that you already had set up. Now you have another stream of income set up for you. Okay, now what's another way that you can get multiple streams of income? Certain affiliate programs use what's called cookies, meaning that, once someone becomes a part of their program, or once someone makes a purchase that you've led them to their program, they have a cookie on them. So even when they make future purchases, you still make commissions. There are affiliate programs that offer lifetime commissions. So as long as, once you bring a customer to them one time, they're particularly your customer for life. So every time that they make a purchase later on down the line, whether you even know about it or not, they make a purchase, you still get a commission. So through affiliate marketing, it's a great way to create multiple streams of income. All right, now the last one I'm going to talk about for why you should choose affiliate marketing is one of the biggest ones for me, actually. And it's the fact that you can do it literally from anywhere in the world. You're not tied down to any type of any particular geographical location. All you need is internet connection and a laptop or a cell phone, and you can run an affiliate marketing business. And the reason why that's so big for me is because, one of the reasons that I wanted to start an online business is because, my goal is to have complete time and financial freedom. So, the multiple streams of income, I talked about that. But, to have the ability to do it from anywhere in the world. So if I need to go visit a family member in another state, I can go. And I don't have to worry about, my business suffering, because I can take my business with me. If I want to go to another country, if I decide I want to stay there for, longer, whoever, there's no limit, to what you can do as far as geographically with affiliate marketing, because you can do it from anywhere in the world. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's my top 5 reasons on why you should choose affiliate marketing. As always, hope you like this video. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, drop your comments below. Always love hearing the feedback. Until the next time, wish you guys much success. Good NG Affiliate signing off.